In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in PDFescape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text or area in your PDF into a clickable link, whether it opens a website or jumps to another page in the same document. First, open your web browser and go to PDFescape.com. On the home page, choose the free online option. This opens the web-based editor, so you don't need to install anything. Give it a moment to load. Next, select Load PDF Previously Opened. This option pulls up a list of documents you've already worked with in your PDFescape account. Pick the PDF you want to edit from that list. Once it opens, you'll see your pages in the main workspace and a toolbar along the left side. Now look for the link tool in the toolbar. It often looks like a small chain icon. Click it to activate link mode. With the tool selected, move your cursor over the page and draw a rectangle around the text or area you want to make clickable. Click, hold, and drag to size the box so it neatly covers the word, sentence, or button area. Aim for a clean fit so the link feels natural. If you need to adjust it, use the handles to resize or delete and draw it again. As soon as you draw the box, PDFescape will ask what kind of link you want. Choose between a URL and a page link. Pick URL if you want the link to open a website. Choose page link if you want the reader to jump to another page within the same PDF, which is great for tables of contents or back-to-top buttons. If you select URL, type the full web address in the field provided. Include the HTTPS prefix for the most reliable results. Double check for typos because mistakes here can break the link. When you're happy, click OK to apply it. If you chose a page link, simply select the destination page number and confirm. A quick tip, zoom in before drawing your link box to place it precisely. And if you plan to add several links, repeat the same process. Activate the link tool, draw the box, select the link type, and confirm. When you're done, make sure to save your changes so the links are embedded in the PDF. After saving, open the exported file and test each link to confirm it behaves as expected. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Now you know how to add links in PDFescape like a pro.